Hi, everyone. My name is Bob Nichols, and I am sharing this brief video with you from Child Savers, where I work. Child Savers is a Richmond Public School partner, and this video is going out to anyone who goes to Richmond Public Schools as a student, who works at Richmond Public Schools, who lives with somebody who goes to Richmond Public Schools. Could be a grandma, a cousin, an aunt, an uncle, a mom, dad, brother, sister, little baby who lives with somebody who goes to Richmond Public Schools. So that's a lot of people. Some of us are more than one of those things. We might be a graduate or alumni of Richmond Public Schools. But for all of us in our community, it's important to be able to learn some skills that we call mindfulness skills. Mindfulness skills help you be great and fully do whatever the things are you're trying to be great at doing, because they bring our attention to the moment and they use our whole brain, front, back, upstairs, the downstairs, the left and right. All of our brain is here for us. And sometimes we're not using it because we're distracted, a million reasons. So mindfulness helps us use and practice using the parts of our brain that might not get used all the time because of stress. A lot of people are stressed right now. So I want to tell you about today's skill. And to be honest, I call these skills ninja skills. They're just skills that when I'm using them, I feel a little bit like a ninja. That's just my thing. But for today, I have a question for you. How are you feeling? A lot of times people say, how you doing? How you feeling? And everybody says, good. But there's lots of feeling words. There's lots of ways to feel. Just because we say good doesn't always mean we feel good. So how are you feeling? Well, I'm feeling calm and curious today. Did you know our feelings are actually kind of complicated? They are situations that happen in our bodies that cause the release of a lot of tiny, teeny tiny chemicals all over. Each chemical has a little electrical charge on it, and they're designed to keep us healthy and connected as possible by helping us keep our balance. For example, sad feelings are actually trying to help you. Do you believe me? Sad feelings usually motivate us to spend time with somebody that we love, usually somebody who loves us back. Like my grandma. When I'm sad, I want to be with my grandma. Angry feelings motivate us. That means they try to convince us to set a boundary like this. Don't do that. I don't like that. That's what angry feelings are trying to help us do. Can you guess what happy feelings are designed to do for us? When someone is happy, they might laugh or smile or make eye contact with other people. These are signals that make other people feel special about whatever they did to make us happy. So showing our happy feelings is like a reward and a gift that we share with whatever or whoever made us happy. And worried feelings are helpful too. The way that worry and worried feelings help us is they help us get ready for something that might be difficult. So take a minute right now and notice any feelings you have. Maybe one feeling, maybe two feelings, maybe more than two feelings. How big is each feeling? From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the biggest. You're doing the skill. Checking in with our feelings helps us know what to do to take care of ourselves. And they help other people feel connected to us. People who love me want to know how I'm feeling. You probably want to know how your best friend is feeling. Or you might want to know how your baby sister is feeling. This is the skill, checking in with our feelings, just noticing feelings. And if you've watched some of these videos, you might notice that whenever we talk about a mindfulness skill, it can be helpful to use our bodies to practice it in a different way. Let's do that right now. For this activity, it would be great if you had crayons and a piece of paper. You might just have pencils. I have an old green pencil that's not very sharp, and I have a piece of paper. You can also use your finger and your imagination. You can use a painting or coloring app on your phone or your mom's phone. What I would like you to do is to draw a gingerbread person. So you can think of a cookie shape that has 2 legs, 2 arms, and a head. This is my gingerbread person. Now think of any feelings you have right now and color the gingerbread person with a color you like for that feeling. I'm feeling calm and curious. Curious is kind of a red feeling, or I might use blue for a calm feeling. Color the gingerbread person with those colors. Maybe you feel your calm or curious feeling in a different part of your body if you're like me, or maybe you're feeling something else. Don't worry about the difference between emotions and sensations. This is kind of high school level distinguishing. Sometimes we do have feelings like happy, angry, sad. We call those emotions. Sometimes we have sensations like cold, tense, tingling, hungry. Don't worry about that for now. Just color all of them. If you're using your finger, you can just draw the shape and then imagine color. Would your arms be? Is it 1 color or 2 colors? A design? How about the top of your head, the front of your head? What about the middle of your body, your feet and your knees? Once you're finished, if you want an extra challenge, you can draw another person and color the feelings you might have if you won the gold medal in your favorite Olympic sport. Or you could draw another gingerbread person shape and put on that person the feelings you might have if you found out your big brother ate all the Halloween candy. Just coloring and putting feelings on these body shapes is a skill. Believe it or not, this kind of mindfulness helps us and helps our bodies by keeping us on the same page. It helps us feel our best. Practice it as much as you like. In fact, this is an easy skill because gingerbread people are not too hard to draw. This is an easy skill that you can teach to a grown-up, a little brother. This is a skill that you can share with a lot of people and practice as much as you like. I'm so thankful that you spent your time practicing this skill today, and I'm proud of your skills. And Richmond Public Schools is proud of you, and we're so glad you're part of our community. I hope we get to talk again soon. Bye.